Next up, train tracks for White Lotus. We need to take 9 tracking devices from the dead drop in Bagra Fortress, navigate onto the cargo train in the same deployment, and place at least 5 of them on the containers on the train. For this, we'll head across to the Bagra Fortress, down at the bottom south of Al Mazrah in G8 F8. When we get here, the dead drop should be on the right-hand side here. Okay, so the Bagra Fortress dead drop is located on the east side over here, right by this building that I've marked. You'll need to head across there and make sure you have some open spots in your inventory. Back here, there we go. So I'll loot the dead drop and grab these 9 tracking devices from here, worth 4-5. I assume if you come back here in the future, you can pick these up for some easy cash when you don't need them for the mission. Alright, now that we have a vehicle, we'll try and catch up to that train, as it hasn't got far. So it's not this train you're looking for. This is the passenger train. Instead, it'll be the other one. Okay, so I'm climbing onto the train here. We're putting it on these boxes here. So I'm placing it on the front and back boxes of this carriage. We'll move back to the next one. Place them on the front and back here as well. Then hopping down to this back bit, there's another one outside here. And after we've placed it on all of them, we're now done with this mission. So thank you all for watching. That was Train Tracks for White Lotus. Mine has been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.